Just before I start this video, I just want to say a huge thanks to people who have taken time out of their day or night to actually watch some of my videos. I really appreciate the fact that people are taking that time. I'm just putting these videos together, trying to teach myself how to edit and how to sort of put this together as a little clip, and just hopefully that you guys are enjoying the experiences I'm finding and some of the locations. I'll try to share with you each of the locations I go to. There will be the occasional one that I can't share the location due to request of maybe property owners or the location itself. So if there's any locations that you guys can recommend to me and say, you know, you need to get here, go and have a look at this, it's well worth the trip. Especially just if it's a 1 or 2 night sort of stay. Let me know, I'd really appreciate it. If there's any recipes you guys would like me to have a go at, I'm more than willing to give things a crack. So share them with me, make comment. I just give things a go because I enjoy doing it. Some things turn out, other things don't. Leave comments, let me know what you think, and we'll go from there. Just going to do a quick overnight camp just out the back of Currumbong, Martinsville, out in the state forest there. I think it's the Olney State Forest. Going to stay at or go down and have a look at the Basin Campground. Found it on Wiki Camps. Looks like it's going to be a good little spot. Going to do a cook up. So getting a bit late. It was a late decision to come here. Some other plans changed on me. So we're going to go down, set up a fire straight away, then set up camp. Probably go for a swim. I believe there's a little creek or a stream there. Rightio. So we've made it to the Basin Campground. Just going to go for a quick walk before I set up and get the fire going. Going to get the fire going fairly quickly as it's going to take a while to cook. But basically, I've just set up there. There's a couple of spots like that where you get a bit of just space for yourself. You can fit 3 or 4 cars in there, I suppose. 3 cars comfortably. Then over the other side, it's more of a car park and you set up tents. Just been for a quick little walk. There's a little stream, looks shallow. It's obviously the water running off down from the hills. So I'll show you that a little bit later. I just went and got some more firewood. I stopped on the way and grabbed some. Just going to start the fire now and get ready for dinner. Right, so as I've explained before, I've got a couple of fire lighters or fire starters. Get them started and just slowly build your fire. And then, as I said, get them started, just slowly build your fire. Let the wood get a little bit thicker, but most important is to actually get the fire to start. Right guys, got the fire started. It's going to take probably another 40 minutes till I get some really nice coals in there. So in the meantime, I'll just prepare what we're having tonight. First thing, grab yourself a drink. Is there a better sound? Got a little visitor. Thought I heard something behind me. Just looking for any food. They won't hurt you, you just leave them alone. Get rid of our rubbish. So my unwanted friend is back again. We'll see if we can get him to go up the tree. But have a look, if you can see it, we'll try to get him. I don't want to disturb him or upset him, I just want him to leave. The claws on that would rip you apart. As I said up at Fraser Island, you don't want to leave your bags out like this. So tonight, before I go to bed, everything will be packed away and sealed. My garbage bag will actually be inside my canopy. Reason being, it'll attract animals back, like they'll rip it apart and you'll have rubbish everywhere. So I understand that not everybody deliberately litters Australia, or anywhere in the world actually, but just a couple of small steps you can take to eliminate that potential. So if that bag stayed out tonight, guarantee some animal will come back and rip it all apart, and tomorrow there'll be rubbish everywhere. So we can eliminate that. Looks like it's going to be a really good night here. The bird life's just starting to come out and be a little bit active. The cook-ups are both finished. I've shared the dessert with the guys who are riding motorbikes down there, giving them a good slab of the dessert. We'll see what the feedback is. And also another couple who are camped up on top of the hill. Had a chat to them, just took a slice up for them to share as well. Just left myself enough. There's plenty in it, it's huge. So happy to share with other people, get some feedback to see whether it's worth doing again. The ribs, I've just put back on the heat of the fire just to get them warm, because I've spent the last 45 minutes or so having a chat to people. It's nice to talk, get to know some people, some other experiences. So that's just on the fire again, just warming up. It's just on hot coals. So I'll give that another couple of minutes and then dinner time. The audio from the cook-up might not have turned out, and that's a user error. That was me, I stuffed up. I'm gonna go, when I get home, I'll have a look at it and see. But this is just a little pre-warning that I'll probably throw in the video, that I may have to do a voiceover and then just talk you through it. I believe the video was captured, but not all the audio, so all there's background noise. Again, that was my error. So I'll probably do a voiceover, or I might just edit all the audio out and I'll just put in some notes as the video is playing. So this is what I've woken up to this morning. The views and the sound of nature. There's a light rain, it's been raining all night. Unfortunately, earlier on the kookaburras were out and they were laughing and singing, but unfortunately I didn't have the camera up here in the rooftop tent with me, so I've missed that. So just up at the main area where you can park your car down the car park and you can walk your tent in. Set up. There are a few flat areas. Nice big picnic table. There's a drop toilet there. Right guys, so just returned from a quick little dip down there in the stream, the creek. It was a bit fresh, it was nice though, nice and clean. Nice to wake up early in the morning, get a good little swim in, freshen up. So that's probably it for this trip. It was just a quick little overnight stay, one night, just to come out, get a bit of fresh air and find a new location. Never been here before. I've had it on Wiki Camps for a few weeks going, I need to get down there and just have a look. It's 45 minutes, maybe an hour out of Newcastle. Probably the same from parts of the Central Coast, hour and a half maybe from Sydney. Well worth it. Hopefully I've showed you enough that you might want to come and spend some time here. It's nice, peaceful, well worth the trip. Hope you enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe. There'll be more content coming your way very soon.